Keto diet plan including keto recipes. What is the keto diet? How do I create and follow a keto diet plan, and how do I make a one-day keto meal plan? This and delicious keto recipes all in one post. What the heck is a keto diet plan? Let's start by explaining what the keto diet is first, shall we? The keto diet is a very low-carb and high-fat diet. You avoid carbs and replace carb-calorie intake by fat-calorie intake, so the body produces ketones in the liver to be used as energy. Burning fat for energy burns body fat. It can be referred to as ketogenic diet, or short, keto diet, low-carb diet, or low-carb high-fat diet, LCHF. To read more about this diet and get in-depth information, check out this Keto Diet Info website. You'll find tons of information and resources there. Now to get to the keto diet plan, you need to follow a very strict nutrition plan for this diet. Therefore, you're best off having a precise keto diet plan. A keto meal plan either for the day or dinners of the week, for example, and accommodate the rest of your meals around those dinners. I believe one-day keto meal plans with delicious keto recipes prepared either one day ahead or right that moment following your keto diet plan are the easiest way to follow this diet. One day keto meal plan. The hardest about adopting a new way of eating is sticking to your goals. Meal planning is the number one thing that will keep you on track. That will make you reach your goal. If all you have to do is grab your breakfast and grab your lunch and grab your dinner, how likely do you think you are to change your mind and go prepare or buy something else to eat? You want to give the keto diet a try? Make a keto meal plan that keeps you excited to stick with your goal. Plan a day at a time or a week at a time. Your choice. But plan. Choose a keto meal plan that is easy to execute, in your budget, and pleasing to your taste buds. You won't be able to follow a keto diet if you have only recipes on your list that take about 3 hours to prepare each. Recipes that cost a fortune. Or recipes that need to be swallowed with your eyes closed and pinching your nose. The first thing you need to do for your keto meal plan is calculate your macros. Everybody is different. We are all of different shapes and sizes, and not only our dietary but also our nutritional needs should always be adjusted to our body. A healthy keto breakfast is for a complete keto diet plan: unsweetened full-fat Greek yogurt topped with raspberries and sliced almonds. A healthy keto breakfast is for a complete keto diet plan: unsweetened full-fat Greek yogurt topped with raspberries and sliced almonds. Keto calculator for me is a 5 feet 7 inches, 170 centimeters tall, 122 pounds, 55 kilograms, heavy 34-year-old woman that is very lightly active throughout the day. I'm supposed to eat about 1,435 calories, from which 116 grams should be fat, 20 grams net carbs, and 78 grams protein in one day. In this keto diet plan here I'm adding keto recipes that get me exactly to that goal. You might have to adjust your macros depending on your gender, height, weight, and daily activity. Use this calculator to find out specifically what you need to be eating. Keto calculator. Defining net carbs. Net carbs are total carbs minus fiber. This is super important because 20 grams of carbs are super little, and all vegetables have carbs because they have fiber. You need vegetables for vitamin intake and you need fiber for proper digestion. If you consider overall carbs for your calculations, you end up eating only protein and fat, and that's not healthy at all. There are vegetables that are high in carbs and others low in carbs. The keto diet recommends sticking to the ones low on carbs but encourages you to eat a lot of them. Best vegetables are all green ones to make it easy. And vegetables that grow above the ground, e.g. lettuce, are always better than the ones that grow below the ground, e.g. potatoes. It's always good to eat a lot of vegetables, no matter what diet. Fruits are rather limited in this diet because of their sugar, fructose content and rather higher carb content. Fruits are healthy, but vegetables are way more important in any diet. If you love fruits, stick to low-carb fruits like raspberries and strawberries. A healthy keto lunch as part of a complete keto diet plan: chicken curry made with coconut oil and full-fat coconut milk, topped with sesame seeds and baby spinach on the side. A healthy keto lunch for a complete keto diet plan: chicken curry made with coconut oil and full-fat coconut milk, topped with sesame seeds and baby spinach on the side. Keto diet the healthiest diet? Is this the best diet for me if I want to be healthy? Short answer, maybe. Long answer, this depends on your health situation, your metabolism, your cultural understanding and upbringing, your personality, your goals, your current diet. Who might not benefit from the keto diet? Before starting any new diet, it is always advisable to talk to your physician and/or nutritionist to see if the diet you choose to follow is safe for you. From my research, this diet is not appropriate for people with kidney disease, liver, pancreatic or kidney conditions, people with blood sugar issues such as diabetes, pregnant or nursing women, and people suffering or recovering from an eating disorder. Your metabolism might not be able to stomach the high fat content and requires complex carbohydrates such as whole grain rice or legumes to encourage healthy digestion. Your diet when you were a child and how your culture understands nutrition might have a strong impact on whether you can implement this diet into your daily life. It's hard to go against everything you knew and everybody else knows and follows. Which leads us to your personality. You need to be very strong-willed to follow this diet. It follows very strict rules and you need to be able to commit to this. It makes it hard to eat out with friends or eat with friends in general. It's hard to find food that fits this diet in common restaurants, and this takes us to the next point: your health goals might be more important. Who might benefit most from the keto diet? If you are on what many people refer to as standard American diet, you most likely are much better off following a keto diet plan, regardless of any of the points above. Eating extremely high processed foods is never a healthy option. If the keto diet helps you stay off highly processed foods and makes you feel healthy and strong and marvelous, yes, it is the healthiest diet. Make a keto diet plan and try it out. Write down the effect it has on your body in both physical and mental health and find out for yourself if this is the best and healthiest diet for your body. If you're not sure after your initial test, explore other healthy diets such as clean eating and always have in mind that your number one goal should be to avoid overly processed foods, keeping this definition fairly broad of course, as we live in the 21st century and have to adapt to modern age as well, where hardly any of us have time to spend 12 hours a day evolving around food production, gathering and cooking. A healthy keto dinner as part of a complete keto diet plan: butter lettuce, avocado, hemp seed salad with mayonnaise, a soft boiled egg and cherry tomatoes.